Dear shorthand writers, this is a dictation of the important words and phrases from English shorthand dictation numbers 31 to 40. You may practice these words and phrases again to increase your speed. Ready? Start. Disaster Management Act. Of this enactment, all steps necessary to legislate and execute encroach upon the retail and wholesale, masks and gloves, vital source of revenue, to satisfy the proportionality in any form. There is no justification. Domestic violence in the present times, where there is little. United Nations Secretariat. First such agreement. Their next steps. For such exclusions. India's resistance. Power sharing. India's presence. Intelligence agencies must also consider the India's assistance. Very small plots of land, animal husbandry, fertilizers and pesticides, at other times, able to survive for their own requirements, for their survival, for their work, acres of land throughout the year, plastic sheet, and that there is also free flow of traffic during certain seasons at other times of the year. They are also expected who can speak geography and history safe and secure, who may prefer always going to be on first day important source of revenue. Business leaders, it is shocking. Corporate leaders at a standstill. Forests and wildlife, environment and climate change. National Board of Wildlife, poor governance. Next time around, tireless service. They provide the most essential service more often than not. Forest officers, conservationists, out of this crisis. Leaders of the world. Economic survey. Let us learn hand in hand to call a spade a spade. There is no hope. There are several hundreds. Waste material, lakes and rivers, forms of life, thermal power plant, carbon dioxide, in order to protect them. Biosphere reserve, to protect these animals. There had been, at the beginning of the voting rights, universal suffrage, Indian citizens, electoral process, directly or indirectly, who can be independent candidates, Chief Election Commissioner, free and fair manner, ballot paper, electronic voting machine, voting process in each constituency at regular intervals. Indian National Congress, Bharatiya Janata Party, Telugu Desam Party, Shiromani Akali Dal. Public opinion. Criticize the policies have to be taken into consideration unequal treatment, disadvantaged sections of the society. In all democratic nations, African Americans, this should not be taken. Most important asset, it is crucial. Physical fitness, industrial disasters, Center for Science and Environment, proper maintenance work, rescue and relief, environmental clearances. Since it was India's industrial safety record at the best of times, industrial plants, more necessary, safety systems, whether it could have been greater significance, environment impact assessment, host of changes, environmental damage, waste dumping, ecological services, ecosystem services, clear view, political and social, science and technical expertise, environmental catastrophe, environmental protection. As we pick up the foundation stones, domestic helps, vegetable seller, urban and semi-urban, less productive sectors, manufacturing and services, local labor market, that there is significant, very poor households, financial and psychological, horrifying experience during this crisis, trust and reputation, contracts and regulations, word of mouth, unlimited supply of labor. Attempts like this to say that there are Indian workforce. This was followed. Radio and television, mobile phones and telephones across the world, latest technology. It has the capacity for two reasons: elected representatives, transparent and accountable. It is possible that to censor the very recently human rights violation, central legislature, proponents and opponents, Council of States, brainstorming discussion, legislative experience, chambers of parliament, since ancient times, federal character, bicameral legislature, narrow escape, British Parliament, legislative scheme of things. On some occasions, Prevention of Terrorism Bill, political considerations needs to be addressed, obstruction and disruption. This was primarily doctors, engineers and pilots, dreams and goals, encouragement and motivation, socio-religious reformers, desired results, for their right to be. Yet another reason, all spheres of life, female infanticide, many social reforms in all walks of life, today's times, women's rights advocates, men and women, to promote certain products and services. Purpose of such welfare schemes and policies to spread awareness about the who would be the across various cities, marketing strategy, democracy and advertisement, sales and income, in the proceedings of Parliament, on every aspect, national as well as international, omission and commission, its policies and actions, written answer, President's rule, may consider necessary, from one another, official designation, in respect of notices received, rules of procedure and conduct of business, friendly relations, rules and precedents, and the matter sought to be, during the week, starred and unstarred, very much aware of that. Ministry of Environment and Forests. There is no scheme. I am going to speak. Urban and metropolitan population. States and union territories. One such facility. Women and child development. Lok Sabha constituency. Proper arrangement. To cross over the extremely beneficial, highly considerable, insurance schemes, total estimated production, comprehensive investigation, as it is ultimately needs to take up the matter, national highway, thousands of passengers, residential and commercial buildings. There is no scope, acquisition of land. Friends, I hope you have benefited from these words and phrases. Keep practicing advanced phraseography to increase your speed. All the best.